Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope everyone is good. So children, welcome to your conversation class. So children, last time what did I taught you? I have taught you cleanliness. Yes, and before cleanliness what did I taught you? What children? What did I taught you? Good habits. Yes, so I have told you that if somebody asks you, then how you have to tell. Yes, did I say or not? Yes, okay. So today we will learn which topic children? Good manners. Okay children. So today we will be knowing that how we have to behave. Okay. So what are the good manners, right? Okay. It cannot be explained in like whole lines. Okay. It should come inside from you. Okay children. Yes. But children, you should know that what is the meaning of good manners. Okay. So children, what do you understand by this term? What do you understand by this good manners? Do you know the meaning of good manners, children? Do you know? Don't know? It's okay. I will tell you, okay? Children, good manners means politeness. Okay? Politeness means very soft. Okay? Second was well behavior in the society. How you are behaving in the society. Okay? Next is what children? Your courtesy. Okay? How you are. Okay? So these are comes under the good manners. Okay children? Okay? So I will tell you some lines. Okay? Some 4, 5, 6 lines. Okay? So that you know, you will get to know that what are the good manners. Okay children? Okay. So children, first of all, number 1, always be on time. Okay. What does it mean always be on time? It means that you have to be punctual. Okay. If somebody is telling you that please come on this time, or you are going to your school is having time is given by the school, right? Yes, that's 7:15 you have to reach the school, or 7:30 you have to reach the school, the bell will ring, okay? Or your mama papa works, right? They do service, they do jobs, right? So everyone goes on their time. Yes. It means that never on your work, or whether it's a school, whether it's a job, wherever, if you are going to meet any person also, please be punctual. It means always be on time. Understood? Okay. Now come to the next one, second point. Cooperate with others. Okay? Cooperate with others. What does it mean, children? Cooperate with others, it means that you have to work with unity. You have to work with together. Okay. See, when you are working in any place, you cannot work individually, right? This is very true. Yes. Sometimes you need help, sometimes other want help, right? So what does it mean, children? It means that you have to always cooperate with others and work together. Okay. So no need to fight that no, I will do, I can do, no. Okay, where you need, you please take the help. Where other want help, so you please help it. And always what? Do together any work or anything else. Okay children? Okay. So always cooperate. Okay. Yes. Next point is what? Always greet people with a smile. Okay. What does it mean children? Greet का मतलब क्या है? Greet का मतलब wish करना, right? Suppose for example when you are coming to school, okay? So you greet to your teachers, you greet to your principal, right? Yes, sir or madam, right? So what does it mean? It means whenever you are coming, you say good morning ma'am, with a smile you say, right? Or anybody will say like this, good morning ma'am. Is this, if you wish to anybody else, is that other person would like? I think no. In fact, not me also as well. Yes. So whenever children, you people are greeting to anyone, It's whether your mama, your papa, your elder ones, your grandparents, okay, or other uncle, aunts, okay. So always greet with smile, okay. When you smile, when you feel, it shows that how nicely you are wishing, how beautiful you are wishing, right? They will say, wow, what is such a nice girl, wow, such a nice boy. Yes, she is having such a good manners. See, she is wishing, she is greeting, right? So these things always be in, okay, in what? It should come inside your, okay, inside your heart, okay. If somebody is forcing you, please don't do, okay. If you really feel, please greet, okay. Please don't do formalities. We should always greet children. When you greet someone, you get blessings. Do you know? Yes, they say na, yes, Kushka, okay, very good, like something they used to give you good thing only, right? Yes, they also wish you good things, right? Yes, it's always greet to what? Always greet people with a smile, okay? Now come to the next point, children. Help others. What does it mean, help others? Help others means to help. If someone is in need, okay, you have to help, okay. If you can help, then please help, okay. Nobody knows that if in any day you can also want help, right? Sometime it comes that you need also help, right? So if you help someone, you know what happens, the God also helps you. Do you know this? Yes, okay. So children always help others, okay, whether it's a small kids, it's a big one, okay, or anyone, okay, understood? So help others, okay. Come to the next point. Listen carefully, okay. Listen carefully. What does it mean, children? Listen carefully. It means that whoever or whatever people are telling to you, or whether it's your principal, whether it's your teachers or your parents or grandparents or anybody else, whatever they are saying to you, please pay attention to that, okay. Understood? Otherwise you will miss it, okay. So listen carefully. अच्छे से सुनना है whoever is telling to you, okay. Come to the next one. Say excuse me when you interrupted someone. Say excuse me when you interrupted someone. What does it mean, children? See, so I am giving you one example. Say if suppose you people are in the class, okay, and I am teaching you, okay. So I am teaching you in a, like, okay, I am not getting stopped, okay. Continuously I am teaching you. And what happens, sometimes you did not get at any point, or you miss it, or you want to ask something. So you have to say like this, ma'am, please excuse me, okay. After telling this excuse me word, then you can tell me whatever you want to tell, you can tell to me, okay, children. So it's a manner that you cannot, if somebody is speaking, you cannot interrupt like this. Suddenly you start saying, no, that's a wrong, that's a very bad manners, no, okay. You say, excuse me, then that person will get stopped, then you say. Understood? Okay? Okay. Now come to the next point. Say hello when you meet someone, okay. Say hello. What does it mean, children? Say hello means when you are knowing any person, then you can say hello. Hi, how are you? Normal, this is, okay, you can just simply ask, okay, yes, okay. But children, don't ask to any stranger person, please. No way. Don't ask anybody is going to say hello, hi, no. They will start telling you, who are you? Okay, somebody can get angry also, no. The person, the people you know, please ask to them only, okay. No stranger persons, please, okay, understood? Okay. Come to the next point. Say sorry when you done something wrong. Okay, children, means say sorry. Okay, What does it mean? Sorry, children. What is the meaning of sorry word? Sorry. Sorry is what it means. Sorry means that you won't repeat it again. Okay. The meaning of sorry is that you won't repeat it again. Okay. So children, whenever if you have done something wrong, or you know that, I think everybody know what is good, what is bad, right? Yes, yes, this much you are knowing now. You are grown up children, you know what is bad, what is good. So children, you can, what? You can, if you have done something wrong, you can say sorry. If you have done, you are not listening to your parents, or you are not obeying, if they get hurt, and you have to say sorry. Okay? Yes. Okay? Last one, see. Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. Okay? Suppose I'll give you one example. In your class, you are in the class and I am teaching you. Okay? So, if I tell you, if I am asking one question. Okay, children? So, if I tell that please you tell the answer. Okay? If I'll tell another person, another student that you tell, okay, so it means you have to wait for your turn. If you want to say, just raise your hand. You can say, ma'am, may I? Okay, so if I give you chance, if I tell to you, then you can tell me. Okay, children. So if somebody is answering, or if somebody is telling something, so you please don't get in hurry, in rush. No, I will tell. No, that's a bad manner, children. Okay, okay, yes. So always wait for your turn. So many points I have told you. Now I have taught you good manners. Okay, now you know what are the good manners. Some points I have cleared you. Okay, so please follow and do it. Okay, children. Okay. So for today this much only. So take care, children. Bye bye.